We're over here at a parking show right now. Yeah, but the F54 is amazing, okay. M2.
Danny was telling me his ass.
Look at this track hawk here. I like how that thing looks.
I took a picture of this.
Oh, I just got these rims, I think. Oh no, those are Velsons. I got same style.
Hey, bro, I have to first.
Hey, they got the butt. He can't do that. He can't do that. They get the bikes at the car meet. Look at this Eagle right here, dog. This Eagle is clean.
Yeah. Look at it. Look at that.
Oof. Bro, I love Eagles.
Ah, he did it.
Hey, he did do it. Hey! They pop.
Slaughterhouse. Out of nowhere. That's whips are near. There was I'm not sure what the fuck it was. But
yeah, it's old school. Look at the interior. No way. How'd you get here? Uber? How'd you... I love these cars so much. I love this car. M4 CS.
Damn, CS?
This is a rare car. Well, now gonna become rare.
The color's beautiful.
GT 50R.
One of my dream cars are different.
What is this thing? It's a Honda? Oh, Toyota. What? I actually have not seen that car before.
Huh? What? Yeah. Wait, what he got under the hood?
This thing's clean. What?
Bro, this shit's nice.
Oh yeah, this is the X6, hell yeah.
I'm surprised no bed.
Well, they do have C8s, but there's not enough C7s.
Or C6.
Pathfinder? Limited? I might be wrong. Is it limited? I don't know, something. Oh, 4Runner, I'm cooked.
I took a picture of all nose.
The red eye. VFC, stock Lambo rims, beadlocks.
He won't got me. I got Lambo.
I'll take him.
I got Lambo Feeties, bro.
That's the old Chevy Chevelle. It's F82. I don't hate them. Yeah, then Brody, what is she doing right now? VIP parking, VIP parking. That I like it. Damn dog, I think it's so nice. That wide body. But I like Z92s. Yeah, they even peeped that mate right here. I like how it looks, it's kind of aggressive. Red interior with that green. Little wing adds to it. Pretty fire. M8 comp. Picture.
It's a race car.
Bro, I do not care to hear Hellcat right now. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Everybody's about to ride out.